Hello again, it's Noob, and this is an Evva TSC 2-star. You can see there it's a 2-star SKG rating, but this has an evil keyway. It's super paracentric. Let me get something in 12 thousandths of an inch. This is really wiggly. Something like 0.3 millimeters, 0.2 millimeters, something like that. And even that, you can see, is just look how thick it is compared to that keyway. You can sort of get up in there a little bit, but it's really hard. You see that? But you see how much drag there is. I can hold the whole lock in place with it. So this is a super crinkly keyway. Look at that key. And just make sure that this is the side with the circlip. I did take the circlip off the other side, so if I pick it I can gut it, but I end up snapping it, so I have to find a replacement somewhere. Yep, that's the one with the circlip, so don't want to accidentally just pull the key out and then whole core and pins all fly out. And the bitting is evil, because this is almost zero lift, medium cuts, a low cut, and then maximum adjacent cut, really high set. To pick this, I found the only thing which might be able to help is this, which is a 0.4 millimeter deep hook, and that is, as you can see, very flexy as well. So let me try and grab a vise and we'll see if we can pick this. I'll make sure I pick the side which has the circlip off. Okay, so we are in the vise and there is that lovely key. I've got a piece of bent wiper blade for the top of the keyway tensioning, which will go here. I've got a 12 thousandths of an inch, so thin, short hook, which will just go in. We'll just try pin 1, try and move it up here, no, pin 2 now, no, pin 3, oh, then pin 2, little touch on pin 2, let's try pin 3 again. Feels fine. 2. All feels good. Let's try 4 here, curling around that warding. And that feels good too. I might go in with something a bit firmer. Now I think I've set those pins. Just check I haven't got any more feedback here. No, okay, we're good. So then I'm going to try and go in with this 0.4 millimeter deep hook. Try and get up to hit that pin at the back. Which is a lot easier said than done. Can't seem to find that little sweet spot where try pin 2, 3, 4, 1. All feels fine. Okay, so we are really just trying to get to that pin 5 at the back then. Ah, and I think, wow. Oh, I've lost my tension, but we've got the open. Look at that. Here we got it. I just lost the tension, but we have opened it. Okay, let's see if I can actually somehow gut this. Oh, let me get the. Hold on. What do we do? Turn it all the way around by turning the vise, and then we can pop this in like that. I think there's a helicopter just went by. This is all upside down now. What am I even doing at this point? get that out of the vise and then try to gut this without it all exploding everywhere. Okay, so pull the plug out. Bit tacky, old grease, but nothing terrible. Oops, sorry. Pop that in. Then which way should we go? This way, and we'll try and gut from the front. Okay, let's do the driver pins first. Where are my tweezers? Standard pin, standard driver. Oh, lovely spool pin. Wow, that's long. Look at the size of this. It's huge. Ah. That was at the back. That was in the middle. There you go. And I know that because I had actually picked this and practiced beforehand, and it goes in this lock, at least standard spool, spool. So, and have you seen the size of this? This is ginormous. Look at that. And it had to be on that nasty last pin, didn't it? That huge long spool. I wish it was a standard pin at the back, but we don't get to choose the way these things come pinned, so it is what it is. Sometimes you just get the hard bitting. Okay. Why don't these want to come out? Come on. Standard. What have I got which can poke these out? 12,000th hook to see what that can do something for me. This deep 12,000th hook was not deep enough to pick this with when I tried earlier, by the way. Did not want to comply. I'll show you the small difference between this deep hook in 12,000ths and the one in 0.4 millimeters, which is a little bit thicker. Well, you see here, I'm actually struggling to get that out. So yeah, got it. And where's that deep hook I was using? Yeah, so not much difference between these two, but that was enough difference between me picking it and not picking it, just that 0.5 millimeter. So yeah, let's have a look at this then. So all of these appear to be sort of standard pins. They look like they are something like a nickel coated brass, I think. I've got a little magnet here. Let's just see if it's anything interesting. Okay, so the top ones are so magnetic, probably steel, but the bottom ones, oh no, so the bottom ones are magnetic. They're probably steel then. Nice, possibly. So we've got standard driver, the longest spools you've ever seen in your entire life, and some nice sort of, I think, steel anti-drill pins. Nice lock, bit difficult because that bitting and the keyway took me a number of attempts to learn to pick this one, and having to try to find the thinnest, deepest hook that I could. Luckily I found it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And of course, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.